baby. You don't have to squish it in. That's good. Let's get another egg. Put it in there. Whoa! Put it over in the green one. Get it. Get it. Put it over there. You gotta put it over here. Good girl. Okay, let's get this one. Is it blue? Yeah! Get it. Get it. Okay. Let's see how red this is. You ready? Get a blue one. Get an egg and put it in the blue. Put it right here. Right there. Good girl. It's still not red. Here we go. Ready?
Baby.
Here we go. Put it in here. Yeah, okay. That's good. Maybe if we make... Let's put a little blue in there. Let's see if we can get it redder. Ready? Put it in there. Get it? Okay. Let's see what happens. Stir it. Stir it. Okay. Good. All right, let's get this yellow. Let's get this yellow one. Get it. You ready? Pretty. Get it. Put it. Get the egg. Put it in here. Good. That's good. You don't have to squish it in there. Okay, let's put another egg in the yellow. Put it in there.
Yay! Yay!
Yay! All right, let's see if our red turned red. Did it turn red? Whoa, it's even oranger. Here we go. Get it.